Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, March 7th, and this is my analysis of gold versus the dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So on gold, man, gold has been ripping big time, huh? I mean, to me, it still looks like a one, it still looks like a two, and I think we're in a wave three, which I definitely think explains why gold has been so strong. And I actually think this is possibly a subdivision one, two, and three of three. I actually think gold is personally going up to about 2,500, maybe 2,550, just to finish off this wave three. So let's have a look at it on the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, this is that wave one, this uptrend that I was just looking at. This is an ABC, probably a two. And I still think this is a wave three, but I think this is possibly a subdivision, like a one of three, a two of three, and this is a wave three of three. Now we are at all-time highs now, so it does seem likely that a pullback would happen at some point. We are also approaching a Fibonacci extension level, which also you would think would cause a pullback. But I think any moves we see to the downside are just going to be corrections to the uptrend. I think we're in a subdivision wave three, and on the monthly time frame, this is a wave three also. So this is a wave three of wave three. So going down to the daily time frame is where you can see the end of this correction, which I think is a subdivision two of three. This is a one of three, and I think we're in that wave three of three. And then if you look, this is also a one, two, three. So really, we're in a wave three of three, really. I mean, we are at the 300% Fibonacci extension of wave one projected out the bottom of wave two, but I mean, it doesn't necessarily have to stop here. I mean, there's always a chance it just keeps on going. So I definitely wouldn't be trying to go long short of time frames. Instead, I would try to focus on getting in at the end of pullbacks for the continuation of the uptrend. Taking it down to the 4 hour time frame, it's very obvious that this is a 1, 2, and 3. Yesterday we were at the 278. The day before we were at the 261, and I said the same thing in all my videos, which is that we need to continue to look for longs until we get a significant break of structure. I don't even see any evidence that the wave 3 is over. I mean, even if it does make a move down, I would still call it a wave 3 until we had this shape right here, which it doesn't necessarily have to even stop right here. It could possibly just keep on going up. Either way, I am definitely looking for longs until the higher time frames tell me this trend is over. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, I mean, it does look like it is trying to make a higher low. The 300% does seem like it's very overextended. We are also in all-time highs right now, which would make you think that it would make a pullback. But it literally just might make a little pullback like what happened yesterday and just keep on trending up. So I would be careful if you plan on going short. I mean, you don't want to catch a falling knife. If you try to catch a falling knife, normally you get cut. Now, if it does go down and start breaking a bunch of structure, then that's a different story. Then maybe I would go short. But as of right now, even if it does go down a little, I would definitely be looking for longs in an uptrend, even though we think it possibly is overextended. But who's to say it's overextended, especially if this really is a wave three of three, like I was explaining on the daily and weekly time frame. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.